Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer funds from your PayPal account to your debit card in 2025. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, why would you want to do this? Well, in 2025, with digital payments evolving faster than ever, having quick access to your money is key. Transferring from PayPal to your debit card means you can get your funds where you need them, whether it's for everyday spending or emergencies. But before we start, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a linked debit card. If not, you'll need to add one first. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see your available balance. Step 2. Look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw option. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined this, so it should be easy to find. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select your destination. Choose your linked debit card from the list. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any potential fees. PayPal might charge a small fee for instant transfers, so check that before confirming. Also, ensure the amount doesn't exceed your available balance. Step 4. Review and confirm. Double-check the details, like the amount and recipient card, then hit the Confirm button. PayPal will process the transfer, and depending on your bank, it could take 1 to 3 business days or even instantly if you opt for a faster option. A quick tip. Always keep an eye on your account for any security alerts. In 2025, with enhanced fraud protection, PayPal might ask for additional verification, like a code sent to your phone. And remember, rates and policies can vary by region, so stay updated on the latest from PayPal's Help Center. There you have it. That's how you transfer funds from PayPal to your debit card in 2025. It's straightforward, secure, and saves you time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.